In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a project management office in Monday.com. We'll walk through each step to make sure your project management setup is as efficient and effective as possible. As soon as you're logged in, the magic begins. The first step in setting up a PMO is defining the PMO's purpose and scope. This foundational step is crucial as it guides how you leverage Monday.com's robust features to manage your projects, resources, and processes. So, take a moment to clearly define what your PMO aims to achieve. This clarity will serve as your guiding light throughout the entire setup process and beyond, ensuring that every decision aligns with your overarching goals. With a clear purpose and scope in mind, we can now make use of Monday.com's templates. These templates are thoughtfully designed to streamline your project management processes and set you up for success. Start by utilizing Monday.com's Project Management Plan template. This template is incredibly useful as it allows you to create a detailed plan that includes your objectives, deliverables, timelines, and required resources. With these details mapped out, your team will have a clear roadmap to follow, which is essential for smooth execution. Next, you'll want to create a new board. This board will be the heartbeat of your PMO, where all your project activities will come together. It's vital to start with one of Monday.com's templates to ensure you're making the most of the platform's full potential. Head over to the Template Center and search for a single plan template. This particular template is designed to centralize everything in one place: deadlines, stakeholders, budgets, and more. This comprehensive approach is fundamental to ensuring that everything stays organized and nothing falls through the cracks. One of the best features of this template is its flexibility. It's adaptable from planning to execution and finally to launch. You can customize it to suit your specific needs, making adjustments as necessary so it aligns perfectly with your project requirements and expectations. This adaptability means that whether you're handling a small, focused project or a large-scale endeavor, the template will be a valuable tool in managing your project effectively. It provides a streamlined process that keeps all the moving parts in check, giving your team the structure it needs to succeed. By following these steps, you'll establish a strong foundation to build your PMO in Monday.com, ensuring your projects run smoothly and successfully. With purpose-driven planning and effective organization at the core, you're well-positioned to lead your team to success. Thank you for tuning in, and happy project managing.